What's up guys, it's Alexander Travelbum. Today I wanted to go over what van lifers actually make when they're making videos on YouTube. So I've been on YouTube for a year now, and I've been doing the van life thing for a few months, but I also did videos in Southeast Asia. So at the moment I kind of consider myself a van life vlogger, a Vanlife YouTuber, something like that. So I'm just gonna go over what I make per month and then what some of these really well-known van lifers actually make, according to this website called Socialblade, which shows you basically a range of what people might be making. Okay, so I've got my computer here and I'm gonna go over first what I make. So as you can see here, I'm nearing 10,000 subscribers with about 80 videos and 660,000 views. And right here it shows that it shows my estimated monthly earnings right here. So from 30 to 474. It was higher than that before. And I can tell you from this number that usually the truth is actually at the higher side of it. So I have had those months when I was making $500, but lately it has been closer to maybe the middle of that. And because I took kind of a long break, YouTube really just stopped showing my videos or something. So it kind of brought my income down a lot, and now it's slowly getting back up as I've been consistent lately. So it shows 474 at the high end, and I have made around that on my better months. And I even made around that when I had closer to 2,000 subscribers. So it's really based on watch time and if your videos are doing really well. It's not just based on how many subscribers you have. And then next, we're going to go to the Nomadic Movement. The Nomadic Movement, as you can see, they have 36,000 subscribers, and their estimated monthly earnings at the high end, we're just going to go over the high end for the sake of in this video. Their high end is 2,000, so they're probably making around 2,000 on their good months. So 35,000 subscribers, 2,000 a month, keep that in mind. Next we have Hobo Alley, which actually has way more subscribers than them, 141,000 subscribers, and is only making around 1,000 or 1.1 thousand per month. So as you can see, it's really not based on subscribers at all. It's based on your videos and how well they actually do with views. Minimal Millennials, their high end is 2.5 thousand, and they have 75,000 subscribers. They've been putting out daily content lately, so I'm sure that that's gone up a lot lately. So it really helps on YouTube to consistently put out videos, to do daily or every other daily or something close to that. I noticed when I took breaks, my view count went way down. YouTube just likes to reward you for putting a lot of videos on there because they want a lot of people watching their videos. They want people on the site constantly, so you want to bring more people in all the time. Into the Mystery 13 is next. So this guy is great. He has a lot of videos, really helpful, informational van life videos. A lot of people really love him. And lately he's been putting less stuff up. He's been putting more of vlogs up, which people, I guess, don't seem to like as much. And it's kind of sad that, so he has 35,000 subscribers and he's only making around $675 per month right now. I'm sure it's been higher than that on other months when he was doing the tutorials and the things that everybody was watching all the time. I hope that he's making more than that. So next up is Combi Life. It's a really cool channel that's more based on a story of their travels from around South America, Central America, through Mexico and the United States. It's this long travel over maybe 3 years of them making their way up to Alaska and everything that happens along the way. So they have a ton of subscribers. They have 318,000 subscribers, and they're making around 5,000 per month. Wanderbus. Love them or hate them, they have around 50,000 subscribers. They've grown pretty fast, and they are making around 1.2 thousand per month. The last one I wanted to show is Where's My Office Now? So a lot of people know about this channel. A lot of people really like them. I really like them. They seem like really good people. They have 25,000 subscribers, and it shows on here that they're only making around $73 per month. I think part of that could be because I think they don't monetize all their videos. It might be that. Also, maybe they just haven't been uploading as much lately. But I believe they also have a blog and they have other ways that they make money. So they're doing better than this. So that's pretty much all of them for now. So as you can see, it really doesn't matter how many subscribers that you have. What matters more is how many views you're getting. So if you want to get a lot of views, you have to do the right types of videos. You have to make a lot of videos, and that's just kind of how YouTube works these days. So even me with the least amount of subscribers at just about 10,000, making around $500 a month when I had 2,000 subscribers. And I think even with 10,000 subscribers, we can bring it up past some of these people that have 20, 25, 30,000 subscribers. So let that inspire you, that if you don't have that many subscribers, that doesn't mean that you're gonna have to wait for a long time to make enough money to make this your lifestyle. You just have to be consistent, put out good videos, get a lot of views, do the right things, and you can get there soon. So as always, thank you for watching. Please like this video, it really helps me out. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm getting really close to 10,000 and I really want to hit that soon. That would be great, thank you. And I'm Alexander Travelbum. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.